Good morning, friends and family. In this video, you're gonna see me go out to the property by myself as we are all recovering from COVID. Duane is still on oxygen, so we need to stay here with my daughter and son-in-law, and we are so grateful for them that they opened up their house for us, and so Duane can continue to recover. We want to say thank you to all of those who have been praying for us. We managed to keep Duane out of the hospital. It was a really close call. So he has a special message for you as soon as he feels a little bit better, and we'll be sharing that. We also have some really big news that's coming up. We'll probably share that with you next week. But please stick with me. I'm going to go out to the property. I'll show you if the propane people showed up. What's the status of everything. I have to get the RV situated, and I learned to do some things along the way. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your prayers. Stay tuned. Okay, let's check on the progress. Okay, so it's been raining up here. The propane people were supposed to come and start laying the line for the propane tank, and it's still not done. They called and left us a message that they're going to have to come back on Monday, the 11th. So I can see that the rain is filling in the ditch. But it still looks like it's plenty deep enough, because it just needs to be 18 inches deep. Okay, let's go over here. Our wonderful neighbor Jim was going to help my husband by partially burying this solar array pole so that the concrete that's in it will set, and it's supposed to get buried. Oh, look, he did, because he's wonderful. So there will be a wiring that will come up and then go into the ditch and run with the propane. Did you guys hear that? Let me go get my bear spray. Okay, it's 36 degrees. I have my bear spray. I have a lot I need to do while I'm here really quick. Duane's giving me homework, so I need to cover the quads, so I'm going to do that. I need to check the cement, and that's by the ditch, make sure that's totally covered. I need to probably grab some fresh clothes, that kind of stuff. The RV is cold inside, like in the 30s, so without us being here manning like the solar thing to track the sun, we can't keep the battery up enough to let the furnace run the whole time while we're gone, off and on. So the last time I was up here a few days ago, like a week ago, I emptied all the water lines, I opened up all the faucets, I drained the pump, I put Reflexix on all the windows. I try to winterize this. I need to check the gray tank. I think it's empty or almost empty. Okay, I gotta get back to work. All right, let's find these tarps. Oh, there it is, brand new tarp. Okay, let's get that on the quad. Okay, honey, I got the quads covered. I'm sure I didn't do it the way you would. And I didn't poke any holes in it. I found these. I carefully laid those with the nails pointing up. This is semi-heavy. Hold it down. There's that. Nails pointing up, so no holes. I found some weights. So hopefully if it snows, all the water will drain off that direction. Okay, for the next task, let's go check the concrete. Okay, this all looks to be okay. This looks to be okay. This is still covered and tucked. I don't see any issues. Well, now I'm gonna go put RV antifreeze down all the lines because I don't know how long it'll be till we get back. So it's definitely freezing now. It was 39 degrees in there when I checked it, 39 under the RV. Hey look honey, I've drained the gray tank all by myself. Okay, I am a bit of a princess. I am a bit spoiled. I have never drained the gray tank. There's hardly any water in it at all. But it is freezing, so I want to make sure it's empty. And then I have to drain the freshwater tank because it's completely full. But I'm super proud of myself. Such a simple little task. But this little princess on a pillow just did it. Now I'm under the RV, draining the freshwater tank, so check this out. I'm using the sewer hose to catch it so I don't get all the underside wet. And fortunately, our whole underside of our RV is sealed. And it's pretty clean under here. So you can see all the insulation that Duane did. Oh. This was a pain in the butt to empty when you don't know what you're doing. See this little tiny star? You're supposed to turn that, not that, but that. Now, maybe you'll know. That's what you turn. Okay, so I'm out here draining all the lines, and every time it gets quiet and I'm under the RV, something keeps hitting something out here, including knocking over the barbecue. So I now have my gun on, or Duane's gun. And I have my music blasting, which you can't hear because now I'm on the phone. So the bears should be going into hibernation, pretty soon. So I don't know what's out here that keeps coming in when it gets too quiet. So everything needs to hurry up and get done so I can get out of here. All right.
Hello friends and family, neighbors, and subscribers. Fighting hard to get back on the horse and ride again, and it's going to take a little bit, but I'm feeling a lot better. And I want to shout out to my wife and my daughter. They're nurses, and they pretty much no. They pretty much nursed me back to life, because I was sitting in a bad way. But and then I want to thank my neighbors, man. Jim and Doug, they've been waiting around to put in that conduit, but the propane guy was afraid of COVID, and we're not even up there, but he's getting it in Thursday. So Jim and Doug, they're going to get up there and run all that conduit. And then all the projects will be on hold until next year. I'm so glad I was able to get the solar pole in, because Doug, he says that's the off-grid solar people. he said all of our stuff is coming in right now, and all he's lacking is a few more batteries. So I'm thinking, oh, well, there's no way I can build the solar building to house everything. So we called him, and he offered to warehouse everything until next year. So wonderful. That helps us out a lot. But yeah, we'll get back out there, you guys. Just we're just gonna work hard at this end, and appreciate y'all. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.